watching Fintech Wave.
Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Ken from Fintech Wave. I hope you're well. I'm back with another video. But before I get started, if you haven't hit like and subscribe, please do so. And also smash that notification bell. Those things help Fintech Wave move up in the rankings, and you'll also be notified when new videos come out on Fintech Wave. With that said, I'm going to jump into today's content. I'm going to be talking about Amazon. Pretty big news in CoinDesk. This just came out a few hours ago. Amazon is looking to hire a digital currency lead. Subheadline is, the successful candidate will have expertise in cryptocurrency and central bank digital currencies, according to a job posting. All right, I haven't even read this article yet, and I really don't feel like I need to read it for the purposes of this video. I'm just going to basically go on the face value of what's going on here. A while back, I made a video called Amazon Goes DeFi, and a lot of people may not have even known that Amazon has one of the biggest cloud platforms in the game, Amazon Web Services. And on the quiet storm, while things have been evolving over the last couple of years, Amazon came out with Amazon Managed Blockchain, which is a branch of Amazon Web Services, their cloud platform. And mainly what they're doing is providing an enterprise level solution for blockchain services, right? Selling blockchain in the cloud to businesses. Ideally, a business would have an Amazon specialist, an Amazon Cloud Platform or AWS specialist on their team, or a department that is dedicated to Amazon on their team that would basically spin up a blockchain in Amazon Cloud and begin to migrate some or all of that company's services over to the blockchain. And Amazon is the cloud platform that would allow them to do that. That's really the model, right? Maybe they have some branch of Amazon that would do like more in-depth management for certain corporations, but I think it's just they provide an out-of-the-box blockchain solution in the cloud without having to make the investment in blockchain hardware and staff to maintain that hardware and all of that stuff. They handle the back end, and really the only thing a business would have to do is handle the coding and maintenance side of it. And they make it pretty user-friendly. And they started out with just basically Hyperledger Fabric, and then they kept saying that Ethereum itself was coming. And then pretty much I believe Amazon released the Ethereum option not too long ago, right around the time of the Coinbase IPO, which was another thing I found ironic, because I also saw what was happening with Coinbase and the emergence of them going public was, you know, all of these platforms are getting ready for businesses to stake and do DeFi things and provide these DeFi options to their clients. If you look at what Coinbase is doing with their 4% that they're giving people, you know, if you put your money with us, you can earn 4% at Coinbase. Two things are happening there. One is they're probably going to take people's money and stake it for more, which is what bankers do. They take money and they make a lot of money on it, and they give a small portion of that money back. And that's how they continue to grow, right? But the other thing that's going on there is Coinbase is starting to look more and more like a bank, you know. So we've already seen exchanges becoming banks. Kraken became a bank. Anchorage custody firm got bank status, right? But getting back to Amazon and how big this news is, you know, if Amazon puts a cryptocurrency out, it's game over, if you ask me. No amount of bad news coming from the power elite is really going to be able to stop this train at that point. So I had some other ideas floating around for the video this week, but I just kind of stopped the presses and said, I have to talk about this, because in the video, Amazon Goes DeFi, Connect the Dots, that video was inspired by the fact that around that time, Ripple had hired an ex-Amazon executive named Devraj Varadhan to head up their engineering department. And an Amazon engineer, automatically that says cloud to me, that says AWS. As I started digging deeper, that's how the video turned into Amazon Goes DeFi. Like, I think in the process of researching that video is how I found out about Amazon Managed Blockchain. And then when I dug into that, I was like, look at this. It's on Hyperledger and they have Ethereum coming. And it wasn't 2 or 3 months later that Ethereum became like, they had it coming soon. I found out that the platform had already been like in development for like the last couple of years or so. And they had been promising, don't worry, we'll let you do blockchain right on Ethereum coming soon. This was what was coming from Amazon. And then Ripple hires Devraj Varadhan to head up their engineering. And the video basically shows the connections between Ripple and Amazon and the XRP ledger and Flare Networks right in the middle. And I go in depth in that video, so you should definitely give it a watch. By the way, if you haven't hit like and subscribe, please do so. That helps Fintech Wave move up in the rankings. And also smash that notification bell. That will help you get notified every time we drop new content on Fintech Wave. So this is huge. A lot of people were speculating, will Amazon ever drop a cryptocurrency? What's the deal? One of the biggest companies in technology, right? And I don't see, and I'm sure a lot of other people don't see the purpose for Amazon to drop a retail coin, especially being affiliated with Ripple and being in the space with blockchain cloud services. They're fully aware that they don't need XRP or any of these other tokens will serve that purpose just fine. PayPal just got into crypto. So as far as giving the retail solution to the everyday customer in terms of making that last mile, this is a term you're going to be hearing a lot, that last mile purchase, that's all last mile stuff, right? Connecting the retail consumer to the product, that's that last mile. We're hearing this term more and more. I'm an ex-telecommunications guy. We used to use that term a lot in telecommunications as well. Everything was fiber optics, right? But then how do you get the last mile going on to the customer? But as far as a retail solution, Amazon doesn't really need to do that. You know what I mean? You have PayPal, you have Square talking about doing blockchain stuff. So many different companies that can get that last mile connection made if they have not already. I think where the juice is for Amazon is the stablecoin. And the main reason, if you watch the video, Amazon Goes DeFi, is that to set up a blockchain, especially for corporate enterprise level, you need a stablecoin to grease the wheels of the whole thing. You set up your blockchain and then you need to mint the stablecoin to make everything work. And it doesn't take a rocket scientist to see, okay, this is the simple breakdown right here. Ripple hires an ex-Amazon high-level cloud person, brings them over to the XRP ledger side, and not 4 months later, all of a sudden Amazon is looking to hire a digital currency lead with expertise in central bank digital currencies. Central bank digital currencies automatically says stablecoin. And for the longest time, David Schwartz, the chief technology officer at Ripple, has been touting the fact that the XRP ledger is the ideal platform to mint a stablecoin on. So I connect those dots for you in the video Amazon Goes DeFi. I recommend giving that a watch. But just to sum this up, Ripple hires an ex-Amazon exec to head up engineering. And then not a few months later, Amazon has a position open for a digital currency lead with the connection that exists between Amazon's cloud platform and Ripple vis-a-vis Devraj Varadhan only. But it's deeper than that. But just that person being the link between these two big companies, to me, it's just simple logic that there could be a stable coin in the works with Amazon. And I thought that was some pretty exciting news. So I wanted to make a video about it. Again, just to recap, if Amazon mints a stable coin, that's just a really, really big home run for the crypto industry. And if they mint it on the XRP ledger, it's a grand slam for Ripple. So things are looking good. I see it coming. I saw it coming there. So I wanted to check in again. Shout out to Ian Allison over at CoinDesk for dropping this article. I'm sorry I didn't read the whole thing before I made this video, but the headline was enough. Nice going. That's about it. Amazon looks like they're getting ready to drop a crypto. Probably going to be a stable coin. Probably going to be on the XRP ledger. I'm liking this news. All right. Thanks for checking in with Fintech Wave and giving us a view. I'll catch you guys on the next video. This is Ken from Fintech Wave. Thanks for checking out this latest episode. If you like the content, please hit like and subscribe. Shout out to all the people who've subscribed already. I'm going to try to keep the quality content coming on Fintech. I appreciate you. And there's a link in the description. The Fintech Wave theme is now an NFT. See you next time, everybody. Take care.